Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show this video how to fix the application was unable to start correctly and the error code is 0xc000000e5. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error, the application was unable to start correctly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you can try by disabling your antivirus temporarily and check. After disabling, hope it should be fixed. So you will find your antivirus here in this drop down menu. Select your antivirus, right click on that. Here you will find pause or disable antivirus option. You can just disable it from here. And another thing is you have to just click on the start menu, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security, click on virus and threat protection. Here you will find virus and threat protection setting, click on manage setting. You have to just disable this real-time protection temporarily. After disabling, check whether your issue has been fixed or not. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just search your app which are facing the issue. Suppose if you are facing this issue with your Google Chrome, you have to just search your Chrome, right click on that, then click on run as administrator. That's it guys. These are some of the steps you can try and fix this issue. So in this way you can fix the application was unable to start correctly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.